A few years ago, I started running to stay in shape, to get in shape, and I knocked out a few half marathons. Thought I was doing pretty good. Then I set my sights on the big goal, running a full 26.2-mile marathon. The minute I wrote that goal down, I started laying out my training program. I talked to a lot of experienced runners. I read a ton of articles online about marathon training, got the best shoes, and learned everything about hydration, and I did everything I could to prepare for race day. That goal had a hard deadline. I could look at the calendar and say, okay, the race is going to happen on this day, whether I'm ready or not, so I better be ready. I laid out my training program months in advance, and I knew every day what I had to do and how many miles I had to run for that day. Once I got it all down on paper, I was pretty excited to see that you don't actually run 26.2 miles when you're training for a marathon. That's something I didn't know before, and it was kind of good to know. Putting the plan on paper taught me that and gave me more confidence because every day I just had to do what I had to do for that single day. Put all those days together over the course of a few months and boom, I was ready to run a marathon. That's right. Now, I won't say my time was pretty and I won't tell you how great the last few miles felt. All of that would be a lie. A guy in a tutu passed me. My gosh. In fact, I ran 2 marathons that day, my first and my last. That's 2. But no matter what my time was or how bad my feet hurt at the time, I crossed the finish line. It was a huge accomplishment for me. And there's zero chance that I would have finished the race if I hadn't written out a detailed plan. The same's true with any big goal, whether it's physical, financial, especially a business goal.